Are you tired of juggling a checking account at one institution and a brokerage account at another? What if you could have the high-yield benefits of an online bank and a suite of wealth management and commercial services, all under one roof? This isn't a pipe dream. It's the core of the hybrid banking and investing model, and it's what EverBank is built around. Today, we're asking, is EverBank the future of this combined financial model? Let's dive into what makes them unique and whether they've cracked the code for modern money management. What is hybrid banking? Hybrid banking is the sweet spot between a traditional bank and a digital institution. EverBank, which returned to its original name in 2023 after being TIAA Bank, is a prime example. They operate as a diversified national specialty bank, providing both consumer and commercial services, primarily through a direct bank model. Think of it this way: traditional banks have high overhead from thousands of branches, and most pure online banks are great for checking and savings but don't offer complex investing or commercial finance. EverBank aims to bridge that gap. They offer competitive, high-yield products like their performance savings and CDs, which are hallmarks of online banking, while also providing a full spectrum of complex financial services. The EverBank Advantage. EverBank's strength lies in its diverse offerings for all client types. For personal clients, it's about getting the most out of your money. Their high-yield accounts compete strongly with top online-only banks, often featuring low or no monthly fees and great perks like ATM fee reimbursements. But they don't stop at simple savings. They also offer a variety of investing products, including brokerage accounts, IRAs, and health savings accounts. This integration means you can manage your daily spending and your long-term wealth from a single platform. On the commercial side, EverBank isn't just a basic business bank. They've developed specialized financing divisions, like asset-backed finance and fund finance, catering to alternative asset managers and the private equity community. This gives them a powerful, diversified revenue stream and deep expertise, which is a major differentiator from smaller, consumer-focused digital banks. Paving the future of finance. The trend in the financial world is all about consolidation and convenience. Consumers want better returns, fewer fees, and less friction. Businesses want specialized financial partners that can grow with them. EverBank's model is well positioned to meet these modern demands. Their pioneer status in online banking combined with their expansion into sophisticated commercial and investment solutions suggests a commitment to growth and staying ahead of the curve. They offer the digital efficiency and high-yield products of an online-first company, backed by the full financial power and deep expertise of a larger, diversified specialty bank. Ultimately, by offering high-performance products for both the everyday client and complex solutions for the corporate world, EverBank presents a compelling case for the future of hybrid finance, a future where all your financial needs are met in one place. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.